Welcome back, everybody. If you live in an area where you need to park your car outside on a regular basis, you might be interested in getting a windshield cover. A windshield cover will not only help protect against the snow and the ice during the winter months, but if you live in a southern climate that does not receive any snow, it also acts as a nice sun protector and a UV ray protector, which will help keep your interior looking nice and also keep the temperatures down while you're parked outside. In today's video, I'm going to review this windshield snow cover from Proadsy. It comes in a nice carry case. The case has a nice drawstring, so when you're done with your snow cover, you can just slide it back in, pull the drawstring tight, and throw this in the back seat of your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to install this snow cover on this 2019 F-150, and hopefully we get a little bit of snow tonight so I can show you the results tomorrow, so stick around. To get started, unfold your windshield cover, and there will be an aluminum foiled face. That'll be the top. You want to find the top and the bottom of the cover, and when it's windy out like this today, grab the part that goes over the mirror, slide it over the mirror, grab a hold of the other side, and just bring it up over the top. It's a little breezy out today, and pull it over the other side of the mirror. Find your top strap, take your top strap, come through your door handle. If you have enough slack, you can either just reattach it here, or you can take it all the way over and attach it to the mirror. Now take the lower strap, straighten it out, and just attach it through one of your spokes on your rims. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have all your straps secured and they're snug enough the way you like them, go ahead and align the cover where you want it and wait for some snow. Can't believe I'm saying that. We'll check back tomorrow and see how well it holds up. We have some winds gusting up to 20 miles per hour today, and with some snow coming tonight, this should be a good test. Well, we got a little snow last night, mostly freezing rain. And we did have some high winds, up to 20 miles per hour gusting last night. I see the only spot here is where there's a little bit of a opening and some snow and freezing rain didn't get in there. Let's go ahead and take it off and see how it looks underneath. Nice thing about the cover, shake it off, and it's ready to get folded back up. And then you can put it back in the carrying case that comes with it. So the snow cover came off quite easily, and if you look, the windshield's completely dry. Looks like it did its job. The only spot I'm seeing was over on this corner, and I think because the winds switched direction, it was coming from the north yesterday and now it's coming from the south, and it got up underneath the cover a little bit, but that's not bad. If you're looking for some sort of cover for your windshield, whether it be for wintertime for snow and ice or summertime to keep the UV rays out, check out Proadsy covers. If you want to check out Proadsy covers, I'll leave a link in the description for you. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.